making our way down to find this Musfa sinkhole right in the middle of Qatar. So out here we've seen there's quite a few little farms which got mainly camels. You know, you can see it's pretty far off track into the desert. So let's hope, like the highest point, unlike the highest point, we don't end up on some kind of military shooting range. Definitely need a 4x4 in a place like this. The little Mazdas that we've been driving around just wasn't cut it. What's over there? It's a little farm full of camels. There we go. I think it's called like Dal al-Misfar. Dal al-Misfar Caves. Translates roughly to the Misfar sinkhole. There we go. Right, let's go see what's down here in this country of Qatar. Right then, let's see what's down the Dal al-Misfar sinkhole. Let's do this. Cracking it in a pair of 110s. One way to reckon saying is this way. Right down the cave now. It's nice and cool down here. It's a nice little break from the sun, especially in this midday heat. So, like everywhere, it seems like people graffiti down here. Poison. Don't know. Maybe we're about to die with some fumes or something. Nice little place. But, I haven't got my climbing gigs by the looks of it. This little crack along here, that'll be pretty good traverse. I don't know what the legality is of climbing in here, but look a bit disrespectful. Well, yeah, this is the caves of Qatar.